Alright, to use the boost service, click on boost service right here. Select whatever category of accounts you want to boost from social media. If it's not here, you can just click on others. After that, click on proceed. Then after that, you can choose the service here. As you can see right here, you can choose the service you want, or if it's social media you want, you can easily go back and select whatever social media category you want under the category tab. Let's click on Instagram, for example. Then under the service tab, click on this to choose whatever service you want. As you can see, there are several packages right there, and you can choose Instagram followers. If that's what you want, you click on it. Then you can choose the sub service. After that, you can input your profile link right here that is linked to your Instagram account, and make sure you include this first HTTPS. Then after that, you can put instagram.com/your username. Then you can choose the quantity of followers you want. Then after that, you click on proceed and the service will get started.